In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install ElevenLabs from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are facing any challenge while trying to install ElevenLabs, then you need first to go to Play Store and make sure you are logged into your account before you search for the ElevenLabs app. However, if you are already logged in but you are unable, then just tap on your account profile here and then scroll down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preference, and under this, choose the first option, app download preference. This will help you choose how you download apps from Google Play Store. So from this, choose this option called over any network and then tap on OK to save the changes. Now this will ensure that you are able to download the app via any network that you are connected to. So from here, just turn on your data or connect to Wi-Fi, then try to install ElevenLabs app and you should be able to do so. However, if you're still unable to install, you're still incurring the same problem. The problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, just long press on Google Play Store and go to App Info. At this point, we want to clear the Google Play Store app data, and you can do it from here. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data, and I'm interested in this cache data. So these are just small files that Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. But when they accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To clear them, tap on Clear Data here and then Clear Cache and OK. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone and then search for your app, and let's try. So I'll search ElevenLabs like that, and here we go. Our app is here. Let me try and install it. Now at this point, you can see now I'm able to install ElevenLabs app. However, if you still find any challenge at this point, then you might want to check if you have enough space on your smartphone. For this, you need to delete other apps that you don't use or photos and images to free up space before you can install ElevenLabs on your Android smartphone. So that's how you can fix can't install ElevenLabs from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.